We are so overdue for a business book bite. This is the first of 2024, but in my defence, it is a good one. It is from How Big Things Get Done, the surprising factors behind every successful project, from home renovations to space exploration, by Bent Flyvbjerg and Dan Gardner. And it was shortlisted for the FT Business Book of the Year 2023. At the end of the book, they have coda, heuristics for managing projects, and one of them is entitled Make Friends and Keep Them Friendly. A leader of a multi-billion-dollar public sector IT project told me he spent more than half his time acting as a diplomat, cultivating the understanding and support of stakeholders who could significantly influence his project. Why? It's risk management. If something goes wrong, the project's fate depends on the strength of those relationships. And when something goes wrong, it's too late to start developing and cultivating them. Build your bridges before you need them.